Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. This is the new 2026 Hyundai Insteroid. The bright electric sports car will be presented in April at the Seoul Auto Show. The basis for this interesting project was the inexpensive electric car Hyundai Inster. The crossover was lowered, its fenders were significantly widened and large wheels of different design were installed. The specification of Hyundai Insteroid is still being kept secret. As a reminder, the standard Hyundai Inster electric crossover is offered in 97 and 150 horsepower versions, with a range of 300 and 355 kilometers. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.